highest activity a human being can attain is learning for understanding, because to understand is to be free. Peace is not the absence of war, but a virtue born of strength of mind. The more you struggle to live, the less you live. Give up the notion that you must be sure of what you are doing. Desire is the very essence of man. The more clearly you understand yourself and your emotions, the more you become a lover of what is. He who loves God cannot endeavor that God should love him in return. The mind's highest good is the knowledge of God, and the mind's highest virtue is to know God. Freedom is self-determination. The more you understand, the more you love. The more you love, the more you understand. Happiness is not the reward of virtue, but virtue itself. All things excellent are as difficult as they are rare. The wise man, who lives according to reason, is not led by fear of death. The endeavor to understand is the first and only basis of virtue. The more you struggle to live, the less you live. The mind's highest good is the knowledge of God. The more you understand yourself, the more you love yourself. The more you understand others, the more you love them.